From 15th till 31st March, aficionados of performing arts will converge at Zia Mohyeddin Theatre, where dance, plays and music from Czech Republic, Egypt, England, Germany, Iran, Pakistan, Palestine, Switzerland, UAE and USA will be featured during NAPA International Theatre and Music Festival 2018. News Pakistan TV, official partner BBCNEWS, joins hands with German Cultural Center Pakistan, Goethe-Institut as media partner featuring dance performance lighting on 16th March, Resurrection, a dance ritual on breathlessness, passion, oneness and survival on 19th March, and Tone, reacting spontaneously to current circumstances and work on 21st March.